Now we see what is overdetermined system. An m by n linear system is overdetermined if m greater than n. Overdetermined system usually is inconsistent because it has more equations but less unknowns, right? For example, we see this 3 by 2 system. It has 3 equations, 2 unknowns, so it's an overdetermined system. So each equation can be represented as one line. Here, this first equation can be represented as this line, the first line, and the second equation can represent by this line, the second line here, and the third equation can be represented as this line, the third line here. Okay, because there's no intersection point for these 3 lines, so this system is inconsistent. There's no solution. So when is an overdetermined system consistent? We can consider this 2 overdetermined system. So each one has 4 equations and 3 unknowns. You can check its row echelon form, and you can determine which one is consistent. Okay. Now we consider about underdetermined system. So an m by n linear system is said to be underdetermined if m smaller than n. So there are fewer equations but more unknowns. So underdetermined system, it is possible to be inconsistent, but usually it is consistent with infinitely many solutions. We should emphasize that for underdetermined system, it is impossible to have only one solution. See, if this underdetermined system, we have 2 equations, 3 unknowns. We find its reduced form as here. It's row echelon form. So this system is inconsistent. And now consider this underdetermined system. This system is a 3 by 5 system. We have 3 equations, 5 unknowns. And you also check it's a reduced form. It's a row echelon form. So for this system, it is consistent. Right? And in fact, it has infinitely many solutions. Right? You see here, x1, x4, and x5, they are lead variables. And x2 and x3, they are free variables. For free variables, you can choose arbitrary real number. So this system has infinitely many solutions. So for underdetermined system, it might be inconsistent, and it's usually consistent. And when it is consistent, it must be infinitely many solutions. There must be infinitely many solutions. Okay, and see this form, this row echelon form. You can see all the entries about each lead one can be further eliminated. You can further using leading one to eliminate the other entries in this column to be 0.